chicken cheese pizza recipe for you to try at home. Ingredients: for the pizza dough, 1 packet, 2 and 1/4 teaspoons, active dry yeast, 1 cup warm water, 110 degrees Fahrenheit/45 degrees Celsius. 1 teaspoon sugar, 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil. For the pizza toppings, ½ cup pizza sauce, 1.5 cups cooked and shredded chicken breast, 1.5 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, ½ cup sliced bell peppers, any color you prefer, 1/4 cup sliced black olives, 1/4 cup sliced red onions, 1/4 cup sliced mushrooms, ½ teaspoon dried oregano, ½ teaspoon dried basil, salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Prepare the pizza dough. In a small bowl, dissolve the sugar in warm water and sprinkle the yeast over the top. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, or until it becomes frothy. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt, make a well in the center and add the yeast mixture and olive oil. Mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it doubles in size. 2. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven while preheating. 3. Prepare the pizza. Punch down the risen dough and divide it into 2 portions for thin crust pizzas or leave it as is for a thicker crust. Roll out the dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness. 4. Assemble the pizza. Place the rolled out dough on a pizza peel or parchment paper if you don't have a pizza stone. Spread a thin layer of pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle half of the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Add the cooked chicken, bell peppers, black olives, red onions, and mushrooms. Season with salt, black pepper, dried oregano, and dried basil. If you are using a pizza stone, carefully transfer the pizza onto the preheated stone in the oven. If not, place the parchment paper with the assembled pizza on a baking sheet. 5. Bake the pizza. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. 6. Serve. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a minute or 2 before slicing. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious homemade chicken cheese pizza. Feel free to customize the toppings according to your preferences. Enjoy your pizza making adventure.